'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real love.
So this is the other side of the swimming pool area. Ayan, ganda ng pa-landscape nila. And the condos up above the sky. Ang kanilang fufu. All for you. Love it. So pretty. And there's a lot of plants and coconuts. Look at that. Isn't it pretty amazing? And the vlogger. Ang pa-swimming pool ni Auntie. Oh, so meron pa pala sila dyang ano sa ano. In the middle. In the middle ng swimming pool. Ayan ang kanilang middle. Middle come together. Yung part na yun ang ano. O dito marami nagsiswimming. Sa part na ito. Ayan. So yan ang part na may mga nag-swimming. Ay, parang familiar. You look familiar.
Sana si Gandara.
Naro, nag-iinarte siya doon. Ang swimming at night. Naroon yung dalawa doon ni Tagi ay. Naroon silang dalawa. Nandito si Auntie. Hindi makaswimming si Auntie. Dahil siya ay duguan. Naroon doon ang aming room. Sa 16th floor.